Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this guest book here. It's in a box. It's in a plastic wrap and then in a box. So we'll open it all up here. So this is it here. And I'll show you all what it looks like. In a box and in plastic, in a box, and in more plastic. Okay. So this is what it looks like here. So check this out. So if you're having an event, a wedding, anything, and you want to have a guest, but yeah, you can put in a DIY photo sharing your happiness moment, whatever it is, and then you can have people sign. Each people sign a date, whatever it is, of what they have here. But my goal is with it also comes with like all these stickers and things. My goal is, because I have my place here, I want everyone who comes and visits me to go and leave a little, a little thing of how they enjoyed staying with me and what I've shown them around Dallas or whatever. They can kind of write a little thing up if they want. They can have a whole page or just part of a page, whatever they want to do. And maybe I'll even take a picture with them and tape it onto each page or something like that. But how cool is that to have a little guest book? And I'm going to leave it. I'm in the guest room right now. This is where I'm doing my videos. So it's going to be in here. I'll put a picture of probably my apartment or something on there. I don't know. But that'll be it. Now let me see. What are these stickers here? It's just a whole bunch of stickers, and it looks like it's got different colors. I'm guessing we could probably use these to like tape in the pictures or something like that. I guess once I get the pictures, I can probably use them to tape in the pictures, but maybe that's what that's for. But for right now, they'll go back in the little plastic bag. But how cool is that to have a nice little guest book? And it looks kind of cool, and it's fairly plain. So that's what I liked about it, so that you could fill it out and put whatever they want in it. So really cool. I like it. Thumbs up.